Are you sleeping on that bed tonight?
And I what?
Are you sleeping on that bed tonight?
Yes, why?
Nah, you
want
can't.
me somewhere else?
Yeah, I want you somewhere else. I've made that obvious.
You won't get that today, Tram.
So when?
Because you can't just wake up today.
Yeah, I want you to have a mind of your own, but regardless, like, I'm requesting that. She already dared me to do something, bro. Tell her in her ear.
No.
When you tell her in her ear, tell her in her ear. She already dared me to do something.
We did talk. I said, even we were talking about love and stuff. And I said, even for week 1, people don't define love. And I said I should tell him that the people that are in love. Then I listed Goddessa and this thing there. He said, no, he cannot do shit about that.
Yo,
and I asked him to ruin it.
Oyin, both of you, Oyin and Flora, no one needs to know this.
But I hear you.
No, I'm serious, though.
I don't know why you think you're joking.
We have time, you know. That's the difference between... But I'm not even trying to compare. I'm just saying, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm here.
Yes.
You know, I'm here. Like, I have time. And I'm not bothered, you know. I don't have a lot on my mind. I mean, apart from you, obviously. You said what, sorry?
The lines you use on these women.
No, trust me, I don't even be talking to them. I quit women. Like, I quit women
like all of a
because
sudden you just wake up.
No, I'm serious.
You just woke up and you're like, oh.
Like, I'll be honest, like, I just been respectful. You're actually my type. Like, I love girls who are sleeve. No.
Light skin.
If I was to go for a dark skin girl, I love a girl with a sleeve. I love a girl that makes me feel home because she makes me feel like I'm home. You know? Do you know, like, do you know the thing I love the most about your parents? When you have your natural hair out, it's so attractive. I swear, like, I'm not even joking.
Be serious.
Like, I'm serious. Like, when you have your, it's so cute. Like, not even cornrows, it's just your hair out. No, your hair out. I love it so much. I'm serious. This is why I'm telling you to be open-minded, because if you keep seeing me as, oh, he's just playing with you. Like, right now, I'm not playing no more. I swear to God, I'm not playing. Like, I've just been respectful because you have a man, and then this guy, it's like, I don't want to push it, but... Yeah, but like I said, I want you to be open-minded, and I know you have it in you to be open-minded. I'm serious.
Everybody thinks you want to eat me. So...
No, I'm serious.